Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be showing you how I take this cup, which was a Hydrodipped cup, which actually I did a video on this and is on my channel. I'll attach the link. And I just thought, I'm like, oh, this is just a pretty cup for like Valentine's Day, to put like a quote or something, and just jazz it up and make it a little bit more cutesy. So I'm gonna show you how I put my vinyl along with possibly some glitter, so just stay tuned. So I opened up Design Space and I inserted this image in which I got from Creative Fabrica. You're going to see here that I'm going to unlock the image and do it 3.5 by 4. Then once I lock it, it saves the width and the height that I want the image to be. I'm also going to apply an offset in which I will do 2 separate vinyls to give it more of that pop of color. The size, I'm sizing it is 0.08. Once I have set my offset to the image, I'm going to go to that little box with all the colors. I'm going to change it to yellow, representing the gold vinyl I'll be using. And then God is Love image is going to be black. Now that I've got my image like I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It to send it to my Cricut machine. I'm going to select on matte. Notice how it is distorted. That's because I forgot to attach the image. So I'm going to go ahead, highlight over the image and click. I go ahead and then hit attach so the image won't be distorted. Send it back to my Cricut. And then I make sure that the other offset looks fine. I'm over here making sure that it's synchronized to the Bluetooth on my Cricut. And then you're just going to wait for the prompts. You're going to see that's going to have the suggestion of default is how the way you cut the image. Oh wait, here I'm going to select vinyl, excuse me. And then I have the pressure for the machine under default. I'm over here having the image cut on my Cricut machine. Okay, so we finally cut out with the Cricut what I found on Creative Fabrica. I decided to do God is Love and then offset. So let's just peel this off. And this is just some random vinyl that my husband bought for me. I don't even know where he got it. Okay, so I weeded some of it. It wasn't that bad. I also got this cute little like gadget thing. It's like originally to hold nail polish, but yeah, it makes it easy for when I'm weeding. So like for instance, little big ones like this are just there, but with something like this, you could go like that or something. I like it. Okay, so now I weeded it all out. I really love this this quote, because for Valentine's we often think about Valentine's as you know, like between the love and of a spouse or whatever, or but no, Valentine's has so much meaning. It's just a day of love in general, and God is love, you know. So I thought I made something a little bit different. Anywho, so I'm gonna take my transfer sheet and I'm gonna carefully place the lettering on the offset. I did end up liking this vinyl. The only thing is it scratches easily, so you need to be careful. I'm just removing the transfer tape. Okay, so let me just remove this from the transfer sheet. And try to apply it straight on my cup. Oops. Just gonna leave a little space like that so I don't ruin it. Okay, so what I like to do is just look at it in a stand-up motion. Oops. Just like go on eye level and eyeball it. First of all, you're gonna want to find somewhere that you like. Like I like right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it right there. Right over here. Make sure that's straight. Because I'm known for putting these kind of crooked. How do you say crooked? Okay. I think right there should be fine. I think. Okay. Get my little cradle cup. Just lightly. Gently remove this, and I just like pushing it down towards the middle, and I'm going to look at it one more time, make sure straight. I think it is. Okay, it should be. Just push it down here the middle, and gently on the sides. And there. Now I grab my squeegee and just make sure it's nicely secure there. And now remove the transfer sheet. Slowly. I don't want to tear anything. Okay, that came out pretty cute. Okay. I love it. It is just so adorable. And I'm going to just push down, make sure the vinyl is nicely pushed. I always make sure. Okay, so the next step is just to epoxy it. And I'm going to put like a little bit of glitter, make it sparkly. And then, well, then it's just something so simple. Like if sometimes if you forget you had a cup and you know you just put it on hold and the vision comes later and then you're like, yeah, there you go. Love it. I'll be back.